G'day Internet, welcome to Red Hot Go. My name's Dan and today I'm going to be unboxing this 254mm dual bevel sliding mitre saw. In the box you'll find the mitre saw, a dust sock, a sliding fence attachment, a screw clamp, 2 end stops, a spanner and an instruction manual. To put it together, we need to remove the screw from the end stop and slide it into the holes on the side before replacing the screw to stop it from falling back out. And then repeat the process for the opposite side. When it first comes out of the box, the saw will be laid as far to the left as possible, so we need to undo the screw at the back and raise it to the 0° point and then retighten the screw. There is a piece of cardboard and styrofoam protecting the saw blade, so release the drop stop nut at the right hand side to raise it to its full height and then remove the cardboard and styrofoam. Attach the clamp and the fence with the screws provided. And then snap the sock on using the spring clamp attached. And that's the saw setup. I had an issue when I went to purchase my saw and ended up having to return it, but there was no others unless I wanted the saw stand that came with it. So here's the stand. In the box you'll find the stand, folded up, 2 end stop arms, 2 end stop heads, 2 quick release clamps, a bag of nuts, bolts and washers, and an instruction manual. To set up the stand, press the release buttons on each leg, and as they lower they'll snap into place with a satisfying click. Next, slide the extension arms into the holes on either end, making sure they're up the right way. And then slot the end stops in. Clamp the quick release clamps onto the top and screw all of the stopping screws into their respective holes. Next, I found it easier to measure the distance between the holes on the saw and then set the quick releases the correct distance from each other before placing the saw on. The right way. And bolt it down to the clamps. Make sure everything works and that the blade isn't obstructed. And then cut some stuff. And cut some more stuff. If you've got any questions about this saw, let me know in the comments. Otherwise, you can follow me on Twitter and Instagram. Also, remember to give all your projects a red hot go, and I'll see you on the next one.